Welcome to our video on third grade. Now I'm going to click on the button that says All Grades Blending Lessons with Technology. It's imperative that we start blending lessons with technology. You'll notice that if you need to, we have the simulations up here replacing Flash. Now, we also have language arts, social studies, science, and we should go through those a little bit later on. However, I'm going to click on third grade. And I'm going to grab this slider and slide it over so we can see everything. Online addition, subtraction, online multiplication. When I click on that, I'm simply going to choose, let's choose 3. And I'm going to type in, the student will type in their name. Okay. And self-correcting quiz. 3 times 4, well, that's 12. And I hit enter. Okay. 2 times 3 is 6, and I hit enter. 3 times 1 is 3, and I hit enter. Now it's going to keep track of which ones you have. Let me show you. 3 times 3 I'm going to say is 4, okay? And what it will do is go on, but it'll keep track of which ones you missed. Hopefully that made sense. Okay, click back again, and you also have the same thing for division. Now, math picture puzzles, we talked about that before. This is very good for you to go through. And the reason for that is, let me click on number 11. Okay? And the student has to see what is happening. That's the idea. They have to look at everything. Here's 4, 4, and 4 is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. 4, there's 7 books. And 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books. Okay, 14 and 4 is 18. Here's 7 books. 10 minus 7 is 3, so this is 3. Now, this is an 8, not a 4. So they got to look. And there's only 5 books, and there's 2 of these. Okay? Same logic applies over here. Got to look carefully at what you see. Everyone loves this. I went to a school district, and they said, hey, can you make more of those? Yes, I can. Okay. Now, I'm going to click over here to Deck Toys. And the nice thing about Deck Toys is the fact that it's visual, it's interactive, it's logical. Let's look at multiplication times 3, okay? And we're going to use Spider-Man. See this wiggles? Click here. Okay, we're going to start. Dr. Octopus Jim, click here. 2 plus 2 is, wait for it, 4. Continue. Okay, 2 times 3, if I click the flashcard, is 6. Now we already know all these answers, I hope. So I'm just going to go to the end, okay, and hit the X. Now when you're done with that one, we go to the next gym, and 2 groups of 4 is 8, and hit unlock, okay. Now this one you're going to have matching, okay, this is good. 3 times 4 is 12. So I find it 12 and slide it down. 3 times 7 is 21. It's way over here. You see how this works? 3 times 3 is 9. So the idea is with Deck Toys, it presents the information to them in different methods, different ways. Let's click back out of that one. Okay, we have other multiplications here, as you can see. Regrouping, addition, if you need that other grouping. Let's look at fractions. Let's click on this one, naming fractions. Okay, I'm going to click here, start here. Bugs Bunny. All right, what is this? It's going to be 2 quarters, right? So I click here and hit submit. And since it's green, it works. Go to the next one. What's this? Well, it's 1/2. Hit submit. If it turns green, you are correct. Enough of that. We'll go back. Okay, we've seen that one now. So that one is pretty good. Now we have other ones on here. Okay, other fractions. And they're interactive and visual, which is important that we do all that. Okay, let's click back. Now, let's go to what you are going to want to do is lessons using fractions. Now, we try to put up here all the things that you'll come across with fractions, and each one of these has a video, right? Okay. Let's look at equivalent fractions here. Okay, I'm going to click on this one. And we have to decide 1/2 is equal to 2/4. 1/3 is equal to 2/6. Okay, and you have a video to check to make sure you're right. Let's click back. Okay, adding mixed numbers. What we've done here is we've provided for you a video, an example for the kids to look at. Then they'll pause the video, do the work, then continue playing the video, and we'll provide them with the answers. So we try to cover everything to make this as easy as possible for you teachers. And obviously over here we have decimals and percents when you get to that area. Okay, let's click back. Cross number puzzles. Okay, this is good. Cross number puzzles, multiplication. Okay, I'm going to click on this one here. And 5 times 6 is 30 plus 4 is 34. So I'll put a 3 here and a 4 here. Okay, so that's one across. Do the across first, then do the down. All right, you can print those out and show your kids that. Now let's scroll down. Oh, here's one with patterns. Okay, this is good. Makes them think. We have 28 and 26. The next one, since they're two separated by 2, this should be 24. So you put a 2 here and a 4 here. 18, 16, 14. Go across, you have 1 and a 4. Do the across first, then do the down. And again, we provided you with a video. Now we have more than those, as you can see, place value, currency, all kinds of stuff to help you out. You have to differentiate as a teacher as to which ones you are interested in. Okay, math division and multiplication puzzles. This is really good. Everywhere I go, the kids love this. What they do is multiply 3 times 7 is 21, so they draw a line through 21. 7 times 6 is 42, draw a line. Whichever one does not have their line drawn through, you place that number here. And again, you have a video to provide you with the answers. Okay, so this is good. You can print this out and give it to the kids, and they obviously log on to the website so they can click that video. Okay, I'm going to click back here again. And you saw we also have division. Rounding numbers, one-step equations, coded multiplication. We have a lot of things here for you to look at and choose from. Parameters, math and maps. Okay, there's a lot of things. All right, so let me click back and go back to the main page. And that is a very quick video of 3rd grade and what lessons we are providing for you. Thank you for watching our video.